kung meron akong gustong gawan ng pelikula, I would focus on 1953, no? Sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Crossroad 'yan, ano? Una sa lahat, Ramon Magsaysay for me was a very honest man, a very competent, honest president who really loved his people. But there is an underlying context, no? He was used by the Americans and he used the Americans. Okay? So, of course, 1953, ano ba yan? This was the time of the neo-colonial period, which is after the war, di ba, ang nangyari, the Americans stayed here in a way, not as a colonizer, but as a neo-colonialist, no? Influencing our politics, influencing our economy, influencing our culture. So, yan yung context niyan.
Since time immemorial, when we talk about, when we say Ramon Magsaysay, the first thing that comes to mind ay ano siya masa, okay? Makamasa, presidente ng ordinaryong tao. He is known for being an ordinary looking, politician compared to, the politicians of that era. Kung papansin niyo, iba rin yung kanyang apelido, di ba? Magsaysay. Halos lahat ng surname puro Castilla or merong parang Spanish, sounding name. Number two, yung kanyang image ay he delivers. So yung kanyang short stint as House of Representatives member, tapos yun nga naging ano rin siya, Secretary of National Defense. Makita nyo na punong-puno ito ng accomplishments. So people remember him as parang nagdi-deliver talaga na politician. That's why when he run for the presidency, may kita mo na napalapit siya sa mga tao.